The purge valve is part of your Chevy Traverse's EVAP system. It controls the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine, helping reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. When it fails, it can cause rough idling, hard starts, or a check engine light. If your 2019 Traverse has a faulty purge valve, you might notice rough idle, poor acceleration, or difficulty starting after refueling. You may also get codes like P0443 or P0496 stored in the ECM. Before replacing the purge valve, make sure the engine is cool. You'll need a basic socket set, pliers, and possibly a flathead screwdriver to disconnect the hose clips. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Locate the purge valve. It's mounted near the engine intake manifold. Unplug the electrical connector, release the vapor hoses, and remove the mounting bolts. Install the new valve in reverse order, making sure all connections are tight and secure. After installing the new purge valve, reconnect the battery and start the engine. Clear any stored codes using a scan tool, then let the engine idle for a few minutes. Check for smooth idle and ensure the check engine light stays off.